While not too much, guys. Yesterday, I was just playing on social media, then I saw this particular post yesterday in the night that says these dogs are asking us to pay them before they allow us to clean the dirty streets of Lagos State. Man from the very dark man, Ratel, Lagos cries out. So before I go into full details or elaborate this matter, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nigerians TV. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share after watching this video, guys. So yesterday, like I said, I was just playing around my social media in the evening. So I come across this particular post that said these dogs are asking us to pay them before they allow us to clean the dirty streets of Lagos State. Like, guys, it's not just only Lagos State, it's also happening in Onitsha. This one is from Onitsha. I saw this post of Chooks. He said drama erupted at MCC pedestrian bridge in Onitsha, Anambra State, as a beggar refused to let a lady clean the area around him. The lady claimed the beggar was using the dirt to beg people for money. So this this is what is happening on a Saturday, 29th of that Saturday. Yeah, today is November. 30th of November. So guys, we all know that yesterday was total nation wide cleanup from Ratel. That is a very dark man. He instructed that so day, which is yesterday, that Ratel was going to be doing some cleanup within all the 36 states in Nigeria, depending how secure and how safe that particular state is. So some people then group themselves, he grouped some themselves, like some people were handling Lagos State, some people were handling Anambra, some people were handling Delta, Benin, Imo, Enugu, and so many of them. So now, along the line, this information just started flying on social media that some people are not allowed to clean some part of Lagos until they make some payments. Now, let me break this thing down. See, when it comes to Lagos State, Lagos State is a center of excellency according to what we are told, and also Lagos State, to me, Lagos State is a vast vicinity that is well loaded with when it comes to opportunities. I don't know if you understand. Both from the east, from the west, from the south, from the north are coming to Lagos State to establish and build up their life. Even most of the celebrities, that in the eastern part of Nigeria, in the southern part of Nigeria, they will still come down to Lagos State to come and still push their career, because Lagos State is just like the land of milk and honey, or Lagos State is just the land of success. I don't know if you understand. So everything that you see in Lagos State tends to be business. That is one thing that you guys need to understand. If you're building house in Lagos State, you make payments to the Omoliles, and not just Omoliles, to councils, to government. You need to pay, and after building a house, you start paying for land use. I don't know if you get it, Jack. I've been in my area. There are some parts that are really damaged. That some people came out, some group of people came out and said they want to build that road. They want to construct that road with their own personal money. Guess what? The buyer of that area said they will make some payments into his account. They were demanding for many millions of naira, and not just that, the agberos, to just arrange the road in your own town, in your own village, in your own state. We have to make some payments. So it's not new thing when I'm hearing about this, making payment before you do any job. Some people, just like what a commenter here said, one of these commenter from from a write-up, he said wetin concern government for, excuse me, let me brighten this phone. I'm not saying wetin concern government for waiting they happen for there. This is a very big problem in the south, especially Lagos State. Who Agberos, if I ever attain political office, so help me God. Some, I don't know what he wrote here. Some people was like, is normal in Lagos State. I don't know if you understand. So guys, when they said somebody Agberos are asking for money, they are telling you to bring money to the sea. My brother, my sister, is normal. It's been, even you want to shoot skit now. I want to shoot my skit. I want to shoot video, maybe a travel video, a travel documentary video within Lagos State. They will still attack me and say I must find them something, which I will give them something. So it's normal. It's how they arrange Lagos State. So we can't, if they tell you that that deity that is there is beneficial to them, my brother, leave them on. Leave them. But it's just that most of them are not educated. They thought everything is all about money, 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 which is very, very, very wrong. You understand? Which is very, very wrong. Like most of them thought that everything within them is money. Look at to clean your environment just for you to feel healthy, to feel strong, because I believe dirty environment causes sickness, illness, and the rest. So, like, clean environment will give you that hygiene that you're looking for, but they're not thinking that direction. What they're just thinking is money. Same thing goes to the nature people, like, doing the cleanup. A beggar was like, no, don't touch this particular spot. So this spot is where I'm making my money from. So it's only God knows how he's making his money through the debt. It's okay in the sense that he wants people to be pitying him, that he's always staying in the dirty area, that blah blah blah, people do give him money. So I understand that, but my brother and my sister, for the fact you are staying in a dirty place, you want people to be pitying you, doesn't mean that we should not consider other people's living in another environment. Yes, you are comfortable staying there because after making your money you go to hospital, treat yourself. What about people that are not hardly making the kind of money you are making as a beggar? I'm not saying that beggar is a good job, but I believe in a day you make good amount of money, more than even people that are earning salary of 70,000 or teacher salary in a month. I don't know, I've had stories that some beggars in Lagos or in Nigeria have built different houses in their villages. I don't know how possible, I don't know how true this is, but if it is true, from what I'm saying, I've been in a situation whereby I was looking for change. The bike man went to meet the beggar, gave him 1,000. If you see the amount of money this beggar brought out, I was like, Jesus Christ. At the end of the day, people will still give them food, do this thing. So if you think that the dirty environment is giving you more money, my brother, my sister, I beg, it's not going to work that way. You understand? You need to get up so that for them to clean the environment, so that to consider other people's hygiene, life. I don't know if you understand. So that is it. So this is what is going on right now on social media concerning the Onitsha and Lagos State cleanup. So, guy, what do you think about the Lagos State people demanding of money? Whatever you want to do in Lagos, you must pay money. Even though you want to, very soon, if you want to pass on the road now, you must pay money. So, what do you guys think? Go to the comment section below. I'll be reading your comments. See you on my next video, and bye for now. Thank you.